Hola chicas bellas a todo el mundo, bienvenidos a su AdviseMyStyle. Today I'll show you how to do the famous cat eye flick classic Instagram makeup, but still look like you're wearing your face. Don't like these eyeshadows by MAC, no, because they are too soft, they crumble, they fall down. Though, we were still able to do an awesome makeup look. Kaya, my model, has deep set but at the same time prominent eyes, which are quite common actually. And I'm doing the classic, I chose the classic deep set eyes makeup technique, doing that C on the outer corner and going in with the lighter color, washing it all over her eyelid, because this will make the eyes stand out, especially by applying this even lighter color on the start of the eye and going slightly over her eyebrow. Now this is a totally classic makeup technique. This could be a cut crease makeup technique if I would place the lines more accurately, let's say. Here, smoke it up on the outer corner, on the lower part, inner lower part, going over with brighter color. That's it. And then putting some liquid gold on her face. Yeah, it's night out, glamour, baby, sexy time. I wanted to make her look like a yellow pumpkin. You see that? Woo! She loved it. She kind of has slightly dehydrated skin, which is very common. I do as well. We needed to hydrate it with 8 hours sleep in a click and some warm foundation, because I wanted to make this look warm. You noticed that she has colder undertone of her skin, and I just changed it. You see, everything matches, because the face was the face is slightly colder, whereas her shoulders are warm, and I matched everything just playing with makeup, doing this cat flick here, which is not that easy on her eye shape, but it really suits her. Wanted to do a full-on makeup, therefore I applied a very precise contour from the middle part of the face towards her mouth, because this will be glamorous. And we just couldn't stop laughing. Oh my god, I love working with Kaya so much. She's such a lovely girl. So hopefully we'll have her in the studio again. If you want to make this look more wearable, you know, something that won't look too crazy, I just combed the brows and went over with a pencil a bit. Didn't do Instagram brows, and everything looks sort of, you know, soft and friendly, not that resting bitch face. Didn't say that. Didn't say that. Right, going over with the lipstick. This is quite a dry lipstick, so you might go over it with a lip gloss as well. This is how we did the makeup. Hazelish eyes suit these colors so much. Hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think, and go subscribe if you're new. Go give it a big thumbs up, because that's what kicks our videos high. Go check our website, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.